Searching for curriculum and instructional materials is always a headache. I need to find evidence-based resources, so I compare reports from the What Works Clearinghouse and EdReports, but not every resource has been reviewed by these organizations. But how can I find the best available resources quickly and easily, and be sure that the products have demonstrated evidence of effectiveness and will work with students like mine?
EdCuration was developed to simplify and expedite the process of determining which instructional materials schools and districts should purchase. Educators in charge of making instructional resource purchasing decisions, like curriculum directors, principals, instructional coaches, and even teachers, use EdCuration to search, discover, compare, and evaluate materials. In addition, we recently improved our system to show third-party ratings, reviews, and endorsements. You can now see products that have been reviewed by EdReports, the U.S. Department of Education's What Works Clearinghouse, Digital Promise, and ISDE. The SBIR Grant Award will enable EdCuration to develop a machine learning-informed instructional resource recommendation engine, which we will call Mallory, to more quickly and easily recommend educators high-quality instructional materials based on national organizations' findings that review teaching and learning resources. Mallory will suggest products in given subject areas and grade level under consideration. EdCuration will use a distance measurement methodology to match schools and districts for similarly utilizing the following data points: school or district size, urbanicity, demographics of race, ethnicity, and gender, number of students receiving free and reduced lunch, English learners, and more. Once similar districts and similar schools are matched, the model will layer on top of this data publicly available and proprietary information regarding the instructional resources utilized by these schools and districts. With this data, Mallory will display on every product page comparable evidence-based resources being utilized at the highest achieving schools or districts in the user's cluster of similar settings. EdCuration is a growing force in the educating market. There are more than 2,100 educational leaders actively using EdCuration to search, discover, evaluate, compare, and select instructional resources to purchase. EdCuration's strong design and development team consists of former K-12 educational leaders, machine learning and data engineering experts, UX and UI leaders, and successful entrepreneurs.
Here at EdCuration, we are very excited to partner with the U.S. Department of Education to build the machine learning-informed instructional resource recommendation engine, better known as Mallory. I'm Timeri Close, the CEO of EdCuration, and I love leveraging technology to increase efficiency that leads to improved teaching and learning. In partnership with the U.S. Department of Ed, EdCuration can achieve our mission to get the best resources into classrooms faster to increase student success.